so it's gonna be a little weird. Hold up. Alright, so gotta get my friend a speaker back because he's annoying about it. And now I gotta fix my head strap. Alright, this should be better. Hold up. I gotta blur that shit out, because like I ain't trying to leak my text messages with people from my school. I want to be ninja. I might take it off real quick so people in my neighborhood don't see me and think I'm freaking weird. I want to be ninja. I want to be ninja. So my friend left this speaker. It's a really nice JBL speaker on my bike, and obviously, yeah, I get that I should give it back to him, but like he left it on my bike, I'm gonna use it. And I've had it for like a good 4 or 5 weeks, like 6, 7, but like, yeah, bro. Now my friend called me and said, you wanna go for a bike ride? And then the kid that wants a speaker back, like, cool, give me my fucking speaker. So I'm like, all right, I guess. So now, basically kind of have to go out to give it back to him. So, yeah. Here, I'm gonna take this off. Probably gonna cut it here. Wait till I get there. Alright, here we go. I see them. And of course, fucking with them. You know why wouldn't he? I'm recording you.
Dude, my chain popped off.
You're lying. Here.
What's that?
It's a GoPro.
What is it?
It's a GoPro.
Hero what?
Hero, just Hero. I'm sorry I took your JBL speaker.
What do you mean took it? You just borrowed it.
Yeah, I borrowed it. I'm sorry without asking. See, it's recording.
That means you can't. I don't know what's up. Is it dead? I don't give you permission.
Too bad.
Permission to record me.
I gotta get some. Dylan, I'm at Wayland. Tell him about the kid on the mafia bike. And like, yeah,
Oh, the kid that squeezed your hand and you cried, that kid?
No, I didn't cry, but the kid that was swerving, bro. The kid was like.
Do a real wheelie.
I can't sit down. Come on, let's see you do that. No. She fucked it up so badly. I asked for a trim. She cut it so short. I asked her for a fade.
I'm getting.
Dude, look at what she did. I need to grow down and get.
A scissor cut?
I don't even know, bro. I wasn't paying attention. I gotta wait for it.
Yo, she did the same thing to my hair.
I need to get it recut.
It's okay. It's okay.
In our barber, the girl that gives us the perms.
Yo, fix your chain.
What?
Hey, fucking stop. No, come here, come here.
Buck and stop.
Hey, man. Yeah, you got monsters, all right. You got roaches, nigga. Nasty shit under your bed. That's the monster. You got roaches. Just don't look, my friends.
Yo, what?
Oh, hey, look now.
Bro, I need to learn how to sit down. My brakes are actually kind of fixed a little bit.
You just need a new brake.
Yeah.
Honestly, there's nothing wrong.
Well, I'm already spending over like $1,000 this weekend.
Why?
I'm going to Woodward. Dude, it's $300 per person. Plus on the
Who are you going?
skate park, you need, but we're getting cabins. Pod's bringing me.
Where's Woodward?
Pennsylvania, we're driving 7 hours, almost 8,
Why? So you can go skate?
to this big skate park.
How long are you gonna be there?
3 days. It's gonna be a bunch of like competitions, everything for the last 3 days. Yeah, it's a camp. I met one of the workers actually today, a staff worker at Derry.
Where?
Derry.
What?
He worked at
Chocolate bit bookie.
fucking Blip Cookie.
Dude,
Blippi-
in Pittsburgh, if you never, I'll show you. I'll pull up the road where Pittsburgh is, but basically, I jumped the entire road from Dante's house across, because Dante's house.
I follow
has, like-
Dante now on TikTok.
Yeah, I know. So the road is like up here. He's got the field over here.
This is it.
I got monsters under my bed.
Fucking roaches. Yes.
Do you even have ball hair yet?
Shut up.
Bro,
I'm putting that shit, bro, in the video. I swear to God, bro, if you get me like fucking age restricted. Yo, what are they? What are y'all talking about?
It doesn't even grow that much, so.
This is all getting on camera. It's recording.
Shut up. Turn that shit off.
Fine.
I don't want
There's
you
no
recording
need to
me. I
record
still
it.
see the thing blinking.
This?
Yes.
It always does that when it's on.
Yeah, so shut it off.
No, I'm not
It's
sure.
recording, dumbass.
It's on, dumbass.
Shut
Yeah,
it off.
on recording.
Oh shit, it is recording. You already know. Yo, is it blinking? Is it blinking? Is it blinking? Alright, we about to get clips. We about to get pull up in a Hyundai Civic. Pull up in a Hyundai Civic. I want to be ninja. Oh, the dead turtle. I got a ray gun in my hand. Poo, 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 poo. And then they Oh shit! Bike life type shit. Yo.
You gotta be able to run.
Pull up in a Hyundai. You know what's a fire Drake song? It's Headlines. Play Headlines by Drake. See this? I snitch. A dream. Nah, Martin Luther King had a dream. Now he had a nightmare. Martin Luther had a dream. Now he had a what the fuck? Yo, this is Austin's house right here. Not this one. This is Austin's house. No, bro, nobody likes riding with him. He's annoying. He talks shit about everybody, I'm telling you. Flanagan, the black kid.
He's black?
Yes, well, brown. He talks shit about me. He talks shit about me to Finn. I don't know.
But it don't matter because of
Yo, this is real rap. Hold up. I got a ray gun in my hand. Yo, we're going to the parking lot across. Shit, bro. Yo, go to the parking lot. cannot sit that one. Yeah, this should be good. What? 6'7". What about, I've had this GoPro for like a year now. I use it for like skiing. I said, bro said cause he a savage. Catch that, I can't pass that. Shoot a stay sharp, I don't need mine, bro. 6'7". Yo, Willie in the grass?
We're jamming out.
Wait, shotgun, I'm sitting in the driveway. Doo-doo-doo. Doo-doo-doo-doo. The dog truck. Doo-doo-doo. Pop. Oh! Oh, fuck my nuts. Yo, your tire started smoking. Yes, it did, I swear. Alright guys, so this is the next day, and once I ended the recording and everything, me and my friends were riding, right? And it was when we were going to get like food at the ice cream shop. On my way there, I was going pretty fast, and my arm slipped, and I fell, and I slid down the road, and I got really bad road rash, all up my, like, here, it's pretty bad on my arm. I'm just gonna, like, you can see, there's, like, pretty big, there's, like, a deep gash. On my knee, it was fine, I just scratched it up a little bit, but yeah. So, my GoPro ran out of SD storage, but I'm getting a new SD card, and next week I'll be posting, maybe next week, the week after, I'll be posting Woodward content from the Woodward skate park. So, yeah, bye.